I was in Manila in a restaurant with a group of friends, and I saw two young girls about 8 or 9 years old, and then I saw an older foreigner behind them. When he got up and walked away, we went over to the table and asked the girls, "Who is that man?" They said, "No, we just met him, and he promised us food, and he was going to give us school supplies." When he came back, he became angrily violent. I couldn't find any police or security guards. So the group I was with was, "Pastor, you need to sit down or you're going to get killed or get us killed." And I cried to God, and I said, "I will never let that happen again."
Nandito kami ngayon sa Montalban, Rizal para magbigay ng talk para sa mga batang ito sa pamamagitan ng maikling kwento para mabigyan sila ng idea kung paano ma-prevent ang child abuse.
Ang layunin ng advocacy na to na mismo ang mga kabataan ay makaangkin ng kanyang kakayahan, para siya mismo magsabi ng ayaw niya, hindi, at itigil ang pang-aabuso.
Prevention is better than cure, ika nga. So mas mahalaga na meron tayong prevention, matutunan ng mga bata kung paano ingatan sarili nila, paano maprotektahan sarili nila, at hindi na mangyari sa kanila yung mga posibleng harms na hindi na dapat nilang maranasan.
My end goal, that we will reach 1 million children in the Philippines. Statistics say every child we put this book hand into, 10 other children will see it down the line. So my prayer is we can produce this in different dialects and it can be in all over the country.
Papasalamat kami sa lahat ng aming mga sponsors. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi namin magagawa itong project na to.